Hey everybody, Monty Reed here, and today we're going to be cooking with the Thrive Instant Quinoa. So maybe you have some and you're wondering, how do I cook with it? So there's a lot of different things you can do with it. You can do sweet, you can do savory. So for just one way that I like to do it is with just a little bit of butter. You can also use olive oil if you'd like. Make sure if you've got it on high that you don't burn the butter. I just want to get that melted. And I'm just going to do a little sample version here. So I just got a 1/4 cup for this video because I'm going to do a variety of different ways, because you can do it sweet or savory. So the quinoa has already been cooked. I talked to a lot of people that they like quinoa, but when you've got to take 30 minutes or an hour, even 20 minutes, 25 minutes to make quinoa. I've seen some quinoa that is marketed as fast cook, but it still takes six minutes. This is completely cooked and then freeze dried, and it's so light and fluffy you can actually just eat it straight. So I'm just getting a little toast on, throw a little chef's choice in there, and then we'll go through the Thrive sizzle. So we're just a minute, almost 2 minutes in. And it's fully cooked, so you could stop at any point. But I like to just basically give it a chance to absorb some of the water and the seasonings, and to get that little bit of toast on from right before you throw in the water. Yeah, cooking one-handed is kind of tricky. So anyway, there we go. This is our savory quinoa, sauteed in butter, and then water splash in 1/4 cup of quinoa, 1/4 cup of water. So if you're doing a cup, 1:1 is the ratio. We saute it for about 30 seconds to get that toast on there. Throw a little chef's choice in, stir it, throw in the water. Now you could do this with olive oil too. There you go. Butter sauteed instant quinoa from Thrive Life. This is Monty Reed for Thrive Life. Have a great day.